In practice set 1-16, we are to add and subtract with fractions as indicated, and our answers should be reduced to lowest terms. The first thing I notice is that our denominators are not the same. You will recall that you cannot add or subtract fractions unless the denominators are the same. So our strategy is to get the denominators to match and then finish the addition problem. We're going to start by trying to use the largest denominator. That will work in this case. 3 times 2 will give me a 6. So let's write the problem. 1/3 with extra space. 3 times 2 gives me 6. Do the same thing in the numerator. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And then to perform the addition, I notice that I have common or the same denominators, so I use that 6 as is and I add the numerators. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 7/6 is an improper answer, and it's preferred to use a mixed number in this case. 6 goes into 7 at most once with the remainder of 1. So my answer is 1 and 1/6. Let's try one more together, number 10. I have mixed numbers in this case, and what we want to do is match the denominators in the fractional parts. I cannot simply use the largest denominator. 3 times what would give me 7? That's not going to work. Sometimes the easiest thing to do is just multiply each one by the other's denominator. Let's see how that works. I have 5 and 2/3 giving myself some extra space, minus 3 and 4/7 giving myself extra space. I'll use the 7 on this fraction. 3 times 7, same thing in the numerator, and the 3 over in this fraction. 7 times 3, same thing in the numerator. So now I have 5 and 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 7 is 21, minus 3 and 4 times 3 is 12, 7 times 3 is 21. And we have a match. 21 is the denominator in both of these fractions. So I can finish up, do the whole number parts. 5 minus 3 is 2. And the fraction parts. 14 minus 12 is 2. And use the denominator that was part of those fractions. 2 and 2/21. 2 and 2/21 is my final answer.